Hey guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. So today is the big day. The notch is finally going down to the shop. I'm super excited about it. I got it on the driveway ready to go. That's probably the first time it's seen sun or actually been off the hoist in about a year. So I thought I would do a little walk around just to show you guys the current state before it gets down to the shop. Otherwise, we'll see you guys when we get down there. Give you guys a little peek in the engine bay. Hopefully that is going to be filled really soon. Still love the stance. And then of course got a big wiring job to go. Still a little bit of work to go, guys, so still gonna be a bit, but it's gonna run this year. It's gonna start and we're gonna send it. Okay, so on the table is basically our complete Holley Dominator setup. Of course, I'm gonna be taking that down with me to the shop as well. What do we got here? We got the main power harness. That's the Holley Pro Dash. That's the Dominator ECU itself. That's the J2B harness. This is the injector harness. That's the main wiring harness. 3 pressure sensors and a 5-bar map sensor. This is the dash panel for the Pro Dash. And this guy is the big wire smart coil kit. And there's actually a few boxes still at the shop, boost controller kit and a few smaller sensors there as well.
Oh, what, your Holley stuff?
Yeah.
We got to pull the passes in.
You can start.
It goes fine.
Oh yeah, that's I've done it to get in my truck for you. No, serious. I had it in my truck this whole time. You want to grab this?
Oh.
so just to wrap up this video, we got home super late. I didn't get a chance to do the outro, so I'm doing it today. I want to give my buddy Gary a huge shout out for the enclosed transport. I really appreciate it, and I definitely owe you one, Gary. You guys saw that the notch made it down safe and sound. I'm really excited about the build finally moving forward. So obviously there's going to be more content about the build progress. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know I appreciate you watching my videos, and we'll see you again here on Pull the Fox.